The holidays are coming. Have any good gift ideas? Don't worry, I got you covered. Welcome to DIY Days. Hi guys, it's Rachel. I'm going to be doing a series of videos for December called DIY Days. I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite DIYs that make the best last minute gifts. To start it off, I'm going to show you a gift that will be perfect for anybody who loves slime. All you'll need for this DIY is a jar, some pre-made clear slime, and your favorite colors of glitter. So the first thing you're going to do is make your clear slime. I've already done it. Make your clear slime and pour it into a wide dish. It takes a few days, but it will become completely clear. Fill your jar with your pre-made clear slime. Make sure you leave a bit of room for your glitter. This looks about right. You can use as many colors as you want. This silver holographic glitter is gorgeous. This is already so pretty. Cat hair is optional. Because this jar is so deep, I'm going to use a screwdriver to make the indentations. This one is as fun to make as it is to give. And there it is, so pretty. What I love about this is that whoever you give it to can leave it just like this for room decor, or they can pull it out and play with it and have a gorgeous glitter slime. For a shorter jar, just use your fingers to push the glitter into the slime. How gorgeous is this gift? So easy to make and so fun to give. Got a boring jelly jar? Watch this. How cute is this Christmas glitter bomb? This tiny little jar we found makes the perfect mini glitter bomb. How fun is this, you guys? You can turn it into a Christmas ornament or put it on top of a present. Either way, it looks so cute. We love these glitter bombs and we're sure your friends will too. Okay you guys, DIY number 1 was a success. Your friends will love these DIY glitter bomb jars. Comment down below and tell us who you're giving your jar to. Hope you guys enjoy this. Now go DIY your holidays.